to day six. Day 6. Oh my gosh, this is going by so fast. Day 6 of our 13 days of Halloween. We are kind of halfway through. If you missed any of the previous 13 days of Halloween videos, I will link them down in the description below. And let's see what the skull has for us today. It is 11. Check it out! It's another Monsters Carnival! We just opened one of these yesterday. We got the trash can monster. Uh-oh, this one's marked. I have a feeling it's going to be the Vampire Lord. Is the other box marked? No, it was not also marked. I'm really hoping it's not him because I don't want him. Wouldn't that be just my luck? I get the 2 I really don't like and then watch the 3rd one be death that I already have. I really want Pumpkin, Monster, and Ghost. And the Frankenstein guy. Science Eccentric, he's called. Alright, let's just get this opened. Well, we don't have a trash can on the top, so that's good. I know it. Yep. It does come with a stand. So, here he is. He actually reminds me of Vincent Price with his little mustache. Here is his card, Vampire Lord. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for another 13 days of Halloween opening, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Stay spooky!